Was it Friday already again? Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage coming at you. So happy Friday. Gonna do a little bit of review, talk about some things that are coming up, and then we'll be done. It'll be short and sweet this morning. Cal HFA, Dream for All program coming out. Not a lot of details, but it's gonna be a cool program. It's like a 20% assistance, and we'll give you more information on that as it comes out. Manufactured Homes got some new stuff coming up. Non-qualified mortgages, I'm just going to leave it at that. I'll talk about that a little more in detail in a couple weeks. And then in review, FHA MIP premium dropped, or it's going to drop here, I think on May 20th. And so saving anywhere from $65 to $150 a month in mortgage insurance savings, which is very cool. And then last week we talked about the 2 to 4 unit purchase. If you're going to live in it, well, you can get down payment assistance. So those videos are last week and the week before, so check those out if you haven't already done so. And I love education. You kind of already know that. I'm super excited about educating and sharing. So here's a few things that I wanted to throw out there because I need to hear these things. So when I'm kind of thinking about content to share, I need to hear these things too. So positive attitude equals positive results. How about that? I think I came up with that one on my own. And then the get to versus have to syndrome. So if you get up in the morning and say, I have to do this or I have to do that, maybe it's better that we get to do these things that we may or may not enjoy. Anyway, here's a couple other things. Be careful what you see. Be careful what you watch. Be careful what you listen to. Be careful who you hang out with, because we want to stay away from negativity at all possible. People can tell when we're negative. Just ask my wife. I get negative sometimes at home, and I get called out on it, and she should call me out on it. So anyway, hopefully she watches this video. So anyway, that's it. Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage. Oh, one more thing. Mortgage, real estate, and life is my kind of tagline. This is more about life today, a little bit of mortgage. So hope you enjoyed it. Again, 916-730-4402. JimHanson.net on the web. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great weekend. YouTube. If you're listening to this on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, please visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please watch this video and maybe a couple of my past ones. I'd love it. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Happy Friday again.